guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy and today I'm going to be making my favorite zesty summer salad. This delicious salad is great for entertaining friends or for summer parties. My kids love it and I know your kids will love it too. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using bowtie pasta. Feel free to use the pasta of your choice. And then I'm going to use cherry tomatoes, organic cherry tomatoes, olives. I love olives. Black beans and corn. So you're going to take your time and mix the ingredients together. Just turn them because we want a beautiful salad. And then next, we are going to add our dressing. Now we're adding our ingredients for the sauce or the dressing. So we have here mayo, salsa, mild salsa. I like mild salsa. Cilantro gives it a really good flavor. And some taco seasoning. Feel free to use the taco seasoning of your choice. You could buy the little packets, you could buy it in a jar. This is one of my favorites. And if you need more mayo, just add some more. But this is a delicious dressing. No need to add salt or pepper because the seasoning has everything. Well guys, thank you for stopping by and we are going to try this salad and see how it came out. Yummy, delicious. Thank you for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon.